Public Health England had recently announced that the Delta strain, first detected in India, has become the dominant variant of concern in the UK. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has hinted delaying the June 21st reopening, admitting that he is less optimistic about the easing of restriction than he was at the end of May. Speaking to Sky News at the G7 Leaders Summit 2021, Johnson said the Delta variant of SARS-CoV-2, first identified in India, is more transmissible and the cases, along with the levels of hospitalization, are increasing. Now, we don't know exactly to what extent that is going to feed through into extra mortality, but clearly it's a matter of serious concern, the UK PM told Sky News on Sunday. The final step of the United Kingdom's planned 4-step roadmap out of lockdown has seemingly been thrown in doubt with the rise of the Delta variant. Amid warnings of Britain facing another wave of coronavirus disease, Public Health England said in a report on Friday that the Delta variant is 60% more transmissible than the Alpha variant, first detected in Kent in England. PHE had recently announced that the Delta variant has become the dominant variant of concern in the UK, overtaking the Alpha variant. What we want to do is make sure that the roadmap is irreversible, but you can't have an irreversible roadmap unless you are prepared to be cautious. Some of the data is still open to question, but we'll be making an announcement on Monday, Johnson told the British news channel. The Independent Scientific Advisory Group for Emergencies has also warned against progressing with the last stage of the roadmap, saying there is increasing evidence that vaccine efficacy is compromised against this variant. The independent group of scientists said that there is some evidence that protection from 2 doses of vaccine against COVID-19 wanes after a number of months, particularly in the elderly. And so there will be a lot of research going into this one. We know at the moment that 2 doses do protect you, let's say, quite well against the Delta variant, especially from BioNTech Pfizer vaccine. But one dose not so much, and we don't know yet how long the effectiveness of the vaccine will last in case of new variants. And so there's a lot of research involved, so a lot of caution has to be involved there as well. And I'll keep telling you whatever I hear about this in the future, of course, to keep you posted, but it's definitely not the last we heard of that. Nevertheless, I'll see you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.